We are pleased to show you the 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, running boards, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, climate control, automatic. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.